What's going on, everyone? Christmas is right around the corner, and today I'm giving you my 10 ideas for musicians. Starting off with number 1. So this is going to be an easy one. Guitar strings, bass strings, drum heads, drumsticks, picks, capos. I'm just going to kind of lump all these together. Guitar, cables, stuff like that. You know, cheap, easy stuff that they're going to use on a regular basis. Number 2. Okay, this one's pretty simple and straight to the point. A guitar stand, guitar rack, snare drum stand, cymbal stand, keyboard stand, etc. If they're a musician and they have more than one guitar, bass, or you just bought them a musical instrument for Christmas, don't forget to snag them a stand. They do have single stands. They also have like guitar racks where they hold 3, 5, 7. If you got them a drum set, just make sure that it comes with all the stands, because you may also need to purchase a stand on the back side of that. Same with the keyboard. Some keyboards come with stands, some don't. Number 3. Now here's a cool little gift. This is a cool gift mostly geared towards guitar players or bass players. It is a guitar pick punch. That's right. So you can basically make your own guitar picks out of old plastic cards. They're pretty fun and they're pretty practical. Number 4. Here's a little stocking stuffer. A maintenance kit will go a long way to keeping either their shiny new guitar or bass you got them for Christmas, or keeping their old beloved favorite axe looking brand new for years to come. Or how about some strap locks to keep their guitar secure on stage? Number 5. Are they an aspiring musician, or do they want to learn how to make their own beats and drum tracks? The Arturia Minilab 3 hybrid keyboard controller is a solid buy. It allows you to use all types of plugins to make keyboard and MIDI compositions without taking up a ton of space on your desk. Number 6. Okay, here's a really cool gift idea. Snag a DIY kit. So if they are a guitar player or a bass player and they've been playing for a couple of years, why not get them something that they can build from scratch? They can learn how to paint it, they can learn how to wire it up and do a quick little setup and play their newly built guitar. Obviously, I have made a couple of those kit guitars on my channel. I obviously have the full build videos for all those. Most of the kits are plug and play, so you don't really have to solder anything, but for the more advanced ones, I think if you get them a more expensive kit, you may have to actually solder in everything. Number 7. This is a cool one for people who are looking to start making their own music, and this may also be a good addition to number 5. A Focusrite Scarlett Solo interface is pretty much a simple, high-quality audio interface for recording vocals, guitars, or any instruments into a computer, and it's great for home studios. So you can also do vocals, you can hook a microphone up into those, you can plug your guitar or your bass directly into it. And I believe you probably could also record keyboard and probably drums too. Number 8. Here's a fun one. How about some cool guitar miniatures? These little mini replicas are fun shelf pieces and add a bit of character to their room or office. There's a ton of these to choose from, and they're under $50 for the most part. Number 9. A new amp. While this may not be the cheapest gift on the list, and depending on your budget, a new amp is always a good, solid choice. Now that being said, if they are avid musicians and they want to start learning to record music, along with number 5 and number 7, the brand of amps I like is Blackstar, and I've done a few reviews on my channel with their products, but most of their amps in the ID Core range come with USB out, so you can plug the amp directly into your computer and record through a DAW, which is pretty nice. Number 10. And lastly, how about a new instrument? Again, probably not the cheapest gift on the list, and unless you have money to throw down on a 1965 Les Paul, then most entry-level or intermediate guitars, bass, drum kits, keyboards would be $600 or less, and that's being generous. You can snag a drum kit for around $300 or $400, especially during the holidays. Along with guitar and bass guitar starter kits and keyboards, whole package deals are sometimes all you need to get someone into music. And really quick, just a little honorable mention, one last gift, which most people get clothes for holidays, but a cool t-shirt, either a band t-shirt or a music company t-shirt would work. Well, that's it, and hopefully this list gives you some good ideas for getting your loved one a cool Christmas gift. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. I'm Jordan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.